Hello guys, gays. You come to right place. Your tail light bulb is dead. And take months to know it because you never see yourself behind. Once you check the back of your car, you see that the tail light bulb is dead. You have to replace it immediately if you don't want to. Change your car to Lamborghini. I don't like Lamborghini either. If you are first time to replace the tail light bulb, you must not know how to replace it. Maybe you try to pull the tail light out to replace the bulb. This is wrong. Or maybe you tried putting the back seat down and crawling from the back seat into the trunk. That's not the right way either. First, make sure you unlock all the doors by pressing the unlock button on the driver's side door. Next, you open the back trunk. Maybe it's your first time also. You have to press this button and lift up the trunk. It will be opened. There are too many things, right? Don't worry, you don't have to care about the staff in the back trunk. What you have to do next is to find the small plastic door on both sides. If you look from the outside, you will notice that tail light bulb is places exactly behind. You just open the small plastic door and you will see the wires of bulbs. There are too many complicated wires, right? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. You see the lowest grade plastic. You have to twist it to the left 90 degrees and pull it out just like I'm doing now. This is how the tail light bulb look like. It might be same as yours. Be careful not to touch the bulb directly with your hand. It could be too hot to touch. You may need a towel to pull that out. For mine is okay, because I didn't turn on the light before this. Next step, you just plug back the new light bulb into that hole like I'm doing. Put it back to the hole and twist to the right 90 degrees. Put the plastic door back without any careful action. If the other side of the tail light bulb is broken, you repeat what I told you from the beginning again, steps by steps. After you replace the tail light bulb successfully, you have to close the back trunk. Next, you have to test the lights. You to the driver's seat, foot on the brake, and push the start button. Turn on the light by twisting the left stick up one level or 2 levels. Finally, you did it. The tail light bulbs is fired and you are safe to drive at night time. If you have find the video helpful and it is your first time to watch my video, please subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment to asking for more tips about Toyota Prius 2nd generation. Oh, my bad. I forgot to tell you, you have to turn off your car by press the stop button. But before you turn off your car, you have checked the battery level. If your battery level is below the 50%, you must be waiting and keep the engine running to charge the battery. Until it charged by 50% or more, you can now turn off your car, turn off your light, and leave safely. Don't forget to lock your car by pressing the black plastic button on the hand door. Thank you.